Oh, good morning. That's a water line right there. That's right. This truck went through some things in Miami last night where it rained so much the water line literally got that high. No, the truck didn't get flooded, and no, it didn't reach into the cabin. But like you can see, oh wow, I'm gonna have to definitely, I didn't want to wash it, but I'm gonna have to at this point. Wow. Yeah, you can see the stuff they got up in there. But anyways, y'all know what time it is. It's morning. Wow, look at the just dirt. Oh wow. All right, here we go. Yeah. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love that. You know what they say. If you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. So we're gonna go ahead and use this weak-ass automated car wash that I hope works and clean the truck. Clean it all up right now. So I think we're gonna time-lapse this. We'll see how this works. I don't know how it's gonna look. We'll have to see after the fact. Alright, now it's clean. I know a lot of y'all are gonna be like, you gotta dry it off, TK, before it gets all, let me wipe the lens off, before it gets all spotty. It's gonna rain multiple times today. The main purpose of this was to get like the sand and the dirt out of my wheel wells, out of my shocks and struts. Alright, that's what the purpose of that was to clean this up. Also, you know, I wanted to kind of clean up my running boards because every place I've gone to wash them, nobody's done anything with those. So I tightened those up. And like I said, the main purpose was to get all of that sand and stuff out from under my wheel wells. Look, I still got a little bit right there that I missed. But you know what I didn't miss? Any panels on the vehicle. It's actually clean. Huh. Oh, maybe I should open a car wash down here, huh? No, I'm just kidding. I'm too lazy for all that. Anyways, she's done. And now we can go get back to Super Bowl festivities. That's why I didn't waste the effort to dry it off. I knew as soon as I got this up and gone, up and washed, that it was gonna be dirty. Oh, this ratting ass system. Anyways, no, I'm not wearing my seatbelt because I'm sweating and I'm not trying to stick my sweaty ass shirt to my body. Nah. So, you can see here that the rain is still coming, but I did what I was supposed to do, which is basically clean the car so you don't have just sand and stuff just sitting all over your paint. You know what I'm saying? Now, I know people are going to say, but you used a brush from a car wash. Look, man, it's a truck, man. This thing is not going to be a show vehicle, all right? So, we are now making our way back down to Miami. And yeah, there's already dirt and there's already water on the truck. I know some people are going to say, man, you wasted your money washing the truck, man. No, I didn't. I needed to get the dirt and stuff out of my, like I said, worst case, I wanted to pressure wash that sand out from under my wheel wells. Yes, I know. I'll probably be doing it again tomorrow, but whatever. It is what it is. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. We see the police over there. You ain't slick. Let me put my phone down before I go to jail. What in the actual F is that? electric golf cart. Someone got too much time on their hands with it. So today, we're on the way down to South Beach, but we're taking the long way. We're going to take US 1 up here from West Palm. And this Palm Beach is over there. Because 95 is a parking lot because everybody decided they wanted to go to the Super Bowl. So here we go. We're running, we're moving. Fresh oil change on deck. Oh man. It's beautiful out here though, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful out here? So on the way down, I was well over 5,000 miles and I needed to rotate the tires. So I went ahead and had that done, and I also had my rear diff fluid changed. So you remember it was daylight when we were heading down here and I was coming back from Palm Beach. It's now about 3.5 hours later. A trip that normally takes an hour and 10 minutes has taken me a little bit over 3, and you can see why. You can see the traffic out here coming into Miami is ridiculous. Now we're going to Miami Beach, you know, we're going to South Beach, and yeah man, it's creeping. You know, we're creeping about 10 miles an hour and have been for a while. You know, truck hasn't done bad though. It's been getting 18 miles per gallon in this, so it is what it is. I love the sign up there. Special event traffic, January 26th to February 2nd. Expect delays. Oh shit. I don't know, man. Let me wide it all the way out for y'all. Boom. Look at that, man. It's just crazy. Just crazy, man. But we will get down to South Beach. We will get to see some of the ratchetness that's going on down there, the fun and everything else. I am looking forward to that. You know, I gotta let the other hoes in, man. Someone got mad at me in the comments and was like, "Why'd you say hoes?" Tahoe, like Tahoe, dumbasses. Not hoes, like females, like Tahoe. You know, this is they affectionately call these hoes. You know what I'm saying? Man, people be getting offended for anything. I'm going over here because we're going to the beach. So let me take this lane. Da, 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 da. All right, y'all ain't got to say, yo, stop it, son. Why are you rapping a Boxster from back when, you know, Fabulous and 50 Cent were on top of the game? Like, why are you rapping that Boxster with that matte white finish? You still got yellow. Come on, man. Damn. I mean, you got to do it down here though. If you don't have the appropriate vehicle down here, you will get laughed at. Which some people don't care. You know, so you'll be surprised. The people that are out here rolling Honda Accords and Camrys and shit, they got the real money. And the dude making the $2,800 a month Rolls Royce payment on that lease is broke. Alright, so you got to see that little time lapse. Whoa, bump. You got to see that little time lapse. And now we are rolling 395 on in. Another bump. On into Miami Beach. You can see the seaport over there to the right, all the way over. And right now, we're gonna pop down here and make our way over to Miami Beach. Ooh, I gotta get out of the port lanes because we're not going to the port. We're going to the beach. South Beach, that is. For For somebody that's never been here before, this might look cool to you. You know, you can kind of see how it's going in. Oh, are we gonna stack up? Oh, okay. Whew. I thought we were about to stack up. Yeah, they're doing an event over here at the Children's Museum on the right. So they had a charity thing going off in this. I know it's busy, crazy busy. Same thing over at the Parrot Jungle, or whatever the hell they're calling it now, Jungle Island. It used to be called Parrot Jungle. It's busy. Everybody's here, so people are looking for stuff to do, man. So all these little things that are normally not crazy are just absolutely outrageous right now. But you can see the colors. They got those Miami colors, you know, that pinkish purple and teal everywhere. Everywhere. You got the Royal Caribbean dock up here on the left, lit up in those colors. We are going to stack up, aren't we? Yeah, I figured it was too good to be true. I saw the traffic starting to clear up and I was like, yes! And then, nope, hold this L. Hold this L, and I am holding it. All right, I'll get back to these, man. Y'all ain't got to sit here with me in this traffic. Ugh. All right, we're moving again. You see the Ghetto Bird is out. Yeah, they are out here looking for people racing on the car. Ain't nobody who gonna race out here. There's no way to race. We can't even do the damn speed limit out here. They got the Ghetto Birds up, man. Ugh. Royal Caribbean there on the right. You know, this is the Port of Miami. You get that nice dead fish and sea salt smell in your nose. Ah. The crazy thing, well, I guess they don't have any cruise ships going out tomorrow because all the Super Bowl stuff's going on here. The Homeland Security has had all the Biscayne. If you're out on the water right now, it's a mess. A mess. Friends were trying to get out earlier today out here. And if you're going out to sea, it's all right. But like, see this dude over here in the water? I don't know if y'all can really see him. He's barely lit up. But yeah, man, if you're out on a boat out here, like you're just, yo, TSA is stopping everything. It's like stop and frisk, man. It's like being a black dude in New York City walking down the street. Somebody's gonna grab your nutsack, and I ain't talking about no females. Police is gonna grab your nutsack walking down the street. It's just how it is. And TSA right now is not playing no games. They are bugging out about this Super Bowl security shit. All right, they got a couple yachts out on the water though. I see people got boat parties going. Yeah, they got a couple super yachts out here doing the damn thing. All right, we are now officially coming up into South Beach. I was gonna, you know, try to do like maybe make this a mod video or something, but I think this is gonna be like an intro to the Super Bowl, how crazy it was out here, more like vlog style when y'all see this. We'll see how it goes. It just depends on how I compile all the footage. But I'll try to get this together for y'all come Super Bowl Sunday. You know, or maybe I'll drop it Saturday because Sunday ain't nobody gonna be watching nothing but the damn game. But all right, let me stop. I saw that Beastie Boys on my screen. I said, oh, I gotta jam that. But here we are. We are here, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. So guys, we are down here in beautiful Miami Beach, aka South Beach. Y'all can see the Huracan in front just chilling, and you know, my truck is like food. It just wants to run it over, you know what I'm saying? It's just like food. But this is basically what you're gonna see down here is a lot of bumper to bumper traffic. There's not gonna be a lot of movement here at all. It just ain't. You're gonna see a lot of low speed accidents here, people running into other people's cars. I will give this Lambo owner credit. You got balls, big brass balls, to be out here driving that in this traffic right now. And it doesn't look like a rental because it doesn't have the typical rental tag. You know what I'm saying? It's got an actual tag from Florida on it, not a rental tag. So I don't know. We will have to see.
But anyways, just checking back in with y'all, man, letting y'all see the madness and craziness here. The entire good part of Ocean Drive is shut down to drivable traffic. So I'm going to have to park and walk through those areas if you guys want to see it. It's going to be crazy. Like I said, over the next couple days, it's going to be an absolute zoo. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog or enjoying the video as we go. Yeah, let me let the bourbon in. Let me let in the bourbon. You ain't getting in, cab driver. Go eat a dick. I know, I feel like I'm an asshole, right? All right, let's go. Alright, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to put all the douchebaggery and stuff in the video, but this is just trying to go home time now, and nobody, and it's not even that late, nobody's able to get out because the train system, there's no train. There's no train. There's no subway. Oh, is it going up now? Look. It goes up, and it goes right back down. It goes up for like half a second, and then goes right back down. Yo. Oh, there it is. Oh, they almost got it. Maybe somebody's up there. They're up there pushing it up. Damn, man. Well, the way it is right now, the traffic is going to be basically stuck here. And because everybody's blocking that intersection, nobody can really go this way, but like a couple of cars that are sneaking through. Oh, this is just a mess, man. Super Bowl weekend. There it is, guys. So you can see it in real time. It's like coming down, and people are trying to like hurry up and get under it and drive under it. And one dude just got his car chopped. Like, yo, come on, man. It's not gonna work like that. You can't just, it don't work like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh. I mean, if I see a high bounce though, I'd be gone. I'd be up under it. But them little joints like that, the little up and downs, nah. At least it's clear. Yo, the dude up there, yeah, see when it did that really high? Yeah, I'd be under that. But look, the Rolls Royce, look how high it's bouncing. Yo, the gate is bugging out. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for yesterday's video. Yes, it's a whole nother day. Yes, I'm here with my Starbucks. Yes, it is actually still raining. I think it's going to rain Super Bowl Sunday. I don't know. Everybody said it wasn't, but there's a lot of rain going on right now. We'll see. I'm going to try to get you guys some cool footage today while I'm out of nothing but all the exotics, the crazy cars, the Bugattis, the McLarens, all of that that's going to be hitting South Beach. And maybe some illegal street racing. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I might catch some of that too. But I ain't racing nothing in this. I can just say that now. Let me just make sure that's clear. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. This is kind of more like a vlog style. Just showing you what's going down here for Super Bowl Sunday. It would be a lot more lit if it wasn't so rainy out here. But it is what it is. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.